IMStaFF here. While you were asleep, Google dropped Nano Banana 2, and it's a total game changer. Forget about blurry upscales. We're looking at the Pro model's brain running on the insane speed of the Flash engine. The core breakdown. Native 4K, no shortcuts, no fake pixels, raw power. Typography. AI finally learned how to spell, not just scribble. The dark side. Heavy censorship and constant 503 errors because Google servers are screaming for help. Google promised a revolution, but delivered a beast with strings attached. Let's find out if it's worth the hype or just another corporate flop. Let's go.
All right, people, listen up. Google just dropped an absolute bomb in the AI image race. It's called Nano Banana 2, and let me tell you, this isn't just a minor update, it's a full-on cannon aimed at the competition. You know, for the longest time with AI images, you had to make a choice. Did you want a model that was smart or one that was fast? Well, that's over. Google basically took the brain of its Pro model and shoved it into the super fast body of its Flash model. So now you get both. No more compromises. So let's start with the basics, the stuff that's been driving everyone nuts. Google is finally fixing two of the most annoying problems in AI image generation: blurry, low-res outputs, and text that looks like absolute garbage. This isn't a band-aid, it's a foundational fix. On the left, yep, that's the alphabet soup we all know and hate. But on the right, that's Nano Banana 2. We're talking crisp, clean, perfectly readable text. It's so good, it can even translate languages right inside the image. For all you designers out there, you can finally exhale. And let's be super clear about this. This is not some cheap, blurry upscale. We are talking true, native, 4K resolution straight from the generator. That means what you create is professional grade, ready for print, right from the jump. It's a massive leap. Okay, now let's get to the feature that storytellers, comic book artists, and literally any creator trying to build a narrative has been begging for. And get this, it's not some premium feature, this is now base. It's just part of the deal. Just think about it for a second. What has been the single biggest nightmare when you're trying to tell a story with AI images? The one thing that just makes you want to throw your computer out the window. It's this, exactly this. You spend forever getting the perfect character, the face, the style, it's all there. And then, the very next prompt, the face morphs, the clothes are different, and the art style just wanders off. Who is this guy again? It's been a total roadblock. Well, problem solved. Nano Banana 2 can actually lock onto the identity of up to 5 different characters, plus a bunch of objects, and keep them consistent from scene to scene. For anyone creating a story, this is absolutely revolutionary. It's the new baseline. Now, if you thought that was impressive, we're moving on to the most unique and honestly the most powerful feature that sets this thing apart from everybody else. This is its secret weapon. See, most AI models are basically stuck in the past. Their knowledge was cut off whenever their training ended. Not this one. Nano Banana 2 has a live connection to the internet. It uses Google search in real time to know what's happening right now. So how does that work in practice? Let's say you ask for a picture of a real-world building. Instead of just guessing from old data, the AI does a live Google search, pulls current info, and then makes an image based on that. This is how you can create factually accurate graphics or images about things happening today. It's pretty wild. Okay, so the tech sounds incredible. It sounds like a total game changer. But what's the real-world experience like? Let's do a little reality check and see what the people actually using it on Reddit are saying. And here, we get to the core of the problem. As this user puts it, Google doesn't have enough compute. The software is amazing, but it seems like the hardware, the servers, are just struggling to keep up. I mean, just look at the numbers. Google promised flash speed, right? 4 to 6 seconds per image. But what are users getting at peak times? 100, sometimes 180 seconds. That's a 3-minute wait. That's not flash speed, that's dial-up speed. And the problems don't stop at speed. People are reporting all kinds of issues. Instead of free access for everyone, they're hitting hidden daily limits and getting constant server overloaded errors. And on top of it all, the censorship is apparently so strict that it's blocking totally harmless prompts, which is just frustrating for creators. So it all brings us to this one big question. Is Nano Banana 2 the revolution we were promised? Or is it more like an incredible tech preview that was rolled out before the servers were ready to handle it? The potential is absolutely there, no doubt, but the actual user experience right now seems to be falling way short. What do you think?
That's a wrap on Nano Banana 2 for today. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be the first to know about new AI features. This was IMStaFF. Respect and see you in the next video. Peace out. Let's find out if it's worth the hype or just another corporate flop. Let's go!